Okay, so I went to the store and I'm not gonna lie, when I see things, okay, I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I was already spending a lot of time in that store and I was like, if I leave empty-handed, it's gonna look like I stole. So then I started looking at the stickers, and then while I was looking at the stickers, I'll show you. I'm literally sitting in the children's play area just so I can prop up my phone here. The first thing I got these little stickers because on the off chance that I pull Hoshi in the near future, I'm gonna have to decorate his top loader with tigers, you know? And then the next thing I got was these penguin stickers because on the off chance that I ever pull Huninkai in the future, I need to decorate his top loader with penguins. It's going to be an event. I'd never pulled Huninkai before, if you didn't know. So this is gonna be a big deal, and I wanna be prepared for it. I'm manifesting. Then, because I always pull Subin, but I never pull Jungkook, I got bunny stickers on the off chance that I ever pull Jungkook, so I can decorate his top loader. Because again, this would be an event. And then lastly, because I am a filthy K-pop stan, I got a photo card holder. I saw this and I was looking for Pom Pom Purin, but they literally don't have him. Probably because he's the cutest one and probably sold out. But yeah, I'm also always prepared and I have my Seungwan photo card with me. But I have preferred Pom Pom Purin because he is Seungwan and also the cutest and real character. Yes, but beggars can't be choosers. Also, Cinema Roll is very cute. A little bit basic, but very cute. Okay, we're almost there. If my photo card doesn't fit in here, I'm gonna be real upset. But it was literally advertised as a photo card holder, so it better fucking fit. Damn it. My dragon sleeve is too big, and I refuse to take it out of the dragon sleeve. But it's literally too big. Ugh. I'll replace the sleeve when I get home, but for now, we're gonna have to take the L. I'm not returning it though. I now have to look for my dad. He went inside JCPenney, and I forgot to go after I finished shopping. So I'm eating the goat, but there's a girl behind me wearing a Permission to Dance LA sweater, and I see Yoongi's face just staring right at me, and I want to say something. Guys, they're playing 17 in the back here. What the heck? I forget that 17 is actually a decently known group. Okay, so I got Michael an Indigo album. Oh, I got him an Indigo album, and I also got one for myself, but we're gonna wrap one and keep the other. And I think I'm gonna wait till I give him his album so that we can unbox it together and see who we pull. Well, obviously it's gonna be Namjoon, it's Indigo, but yeah, I'm gonna open this and then I'm gonna wrap it up. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna wrap this one. Before I get to wrapping it though, I also have a package from Grande Cosmetics, and it's kind of light, but it's in this bright pink box, and let's just unbox it real quick. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna remove this. Ooh, so it says Grande Getaway, greetings from America's #1 lash and brow serum brand. I didn't know you could use this on brows. I think, oh, so there's a brow specific one and a lash specific one, but like brow growth. Interesting. I'm gonna wrap up Indigo using this new wrapping paper. I think it looks cute, and I like mixing it up. I don't know, like, is it smart to open a new wrapping paper when you're almost done wrapping gifts? No, maybe not, but oh my god. Okay. It is a completely different day. I am taking out my Seungwan photo card from the Penguin, hold up, right here, with this sleeve that's a little bit too big. And I still have this cinema roll photo card. We are gonna try again. I moved it to this hollow sleeve. I'm just gonna slide this in here. If this doesn't fit, I'm gonna wrap. Oh my God. The heart doesn't fit. I think I need to use an even thinner sleeve. These are literally the thinnest sleeves that I own. And if these don't fit, L. I tried the card. I tried sliding in the card without any sleeve, just briefly, just out of curiosity to see if it was even possible. It is. You just need a really snug sleeve. So like these side load ones from Ultra Pro. Let's, I hope it fits. It's just like this tiny part that's a little bit too wide. Everyone with photo card anxiety, look away. Okay, I trimmed it. There's like a tiny bit left, but it should be good now. Hooray! Now, would I buy the other Sanrio characters of this? No. I would want one that's just like a little bit bigger so that I can use the average sleeve, and also because I wanted to use my hollow heart sleeves, but it doesn't fit inside, and I can't trim this one because it's a top load, not a side load. This one was a side load, so it was like okay for me to trim. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's really cute. Also, on days where I put Seokjin in this PC, I can also put this Seokjin keychain. Cute, right? Also, for obvious reasons, Subin is gonna go in here eventually. I feel like this is perfect for Subin, but yeah. We're getting food.
What is that for? For the seed. Tea bear? Wait.
Look at my lashes. They look crazy. Oh my God, I forgot how I hate how my car interior makes my skin look, but it's okay. I'm adjusting my seat because my mom just filled the car with gas. Thank goodness. When I left, she called me Santa and I thought it was hilarious, but let's go see some friends. Say hello, Avery.
Hello, Avery.
Avery has this, and he said that it was hard to unwrap. I mean, hard to wrap. So I'm gonna open it now. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, you know what we should do?
What?
I'll open this, and then you have to open your card.
Okay.
I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Like, what is this? What the fuck? Wait, this is so slay. What the? Oh my God, thank you.
It helps having a partner work at Staples.
Yeah, literally. What the heck? Oh my God. Okay, open your card.
This one?
That's Denny's.
Denny's?
No, yours is taped to the box.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you can look down. The first thing is confetti from the Twice concert.
Shit, dude, what? Oh my God, I didn't even. Oh, that's so funny. Because I didn't even get any. Oh my.
Now you can see the Christmas cards that I've been working on for everybody, but they're all like customized.
Oh my God.
Okay. Oh yeah, there's a note on the back, but you can read it later.
Yes! Fuck! I'm gonna die.
I was gonna frame it and give it to you, but I was like, is that overkill?
I might need context. I might need to give you context for this.
Oh God. Okay.
Just in case. But like, Like, I just think it's funny. Also, there's the card in there too.
So cute! Wait, that's adorable! Hold on. I'm reading the card in front of you. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you. Aw. Wait, what is the context?
So, have you been seeing that meme of Vernon with his head? I was trying to find the Miniso Ice Bear one, but I couldn't find it. So this is the next.
Didn't TXT also wear something like this?
Oh, you're right.
Yeah,
oh my god.
that's so funny. Oh my god, this is so cute. What should we name him, everyone?
Oh my god. I don't know.
You're gonna know what it is as soon as you remove that.
As I remove this?
Yeah, the top thing. You can just do it. It'll be funny.
Oh no. Oh! No, you didn't.
I couldn't fit it.
Oh my.
Oh my god. Mama! Mama! 사랑해! Oh, I'm gonna start crying.
Bitch!
Slide!
Oh my god!
Open! 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 The photo card concept was too cute. I was like, let me just get one for Avery.
Oh my god.
Because you don't buy albums for yourself.
Yeah, I rarely do. I mean,
Okay. Hello?
Oh god.
Is anybody out there? Who's in here?
Oh my god!
God damn it! He's so cute. You know what's so f***ing annoying, but like also not annoying, is I ordered two. I ordered one for myself and one for you, and I was like, which one do I think has Huninkai in it? And I gave you the Huninkai one! That's so cute though.
Oh my
wow.
god. Who's your Le Seraphim bias?
Who's your Le Seraphim bias? Wait, wait!
He said Yunche.
Hello.
I'm not.
We are getting sushi. While we're waiting for our food, we're going to exchange gifts. This is for Michael.
So excited.
Anyways, we should just go back and forth. I feel like it'd be fun. So we have the card first.
Little penguin and snowman. Super cute.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Michael gave me this and told me to open it first. I have this wrapping paper.
Shout out to Costco.
Styrofoam. That means that it's fragile. Oh, they're stickers. Wait, is this BTS related? I only simp for Chesubin. No, this is literally so true. No matter who your TXT bias is, everybody's a simp for Subin.
And that's the fact. I already know what this one is.
Yeah.
So,
He watched my video when he wasn't supposed to, so he knows what he's getting, but you can just open whichever. Actually, open this one.
Yeah,
This one has
I
interesting
think I want this one first. Red.
red. What's that?
What is it? Oh, what's that? A hat?
It kind of matches your outfit. It matches your vibes today. Wow.
I'm a happy boy.
Yeah.
Alright.
Opening first, the big one.
So I can put this on my car?
Yeah. This one, like, you actually, reminder to not scream. Don't scream. We're in a public place.
I see the decoing on it.
Don't scream. Slay. Not the cameras.
I just thought this was a thing. The chopsticks.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
You guys, Michael thinks that I can fit this whole piece in my mouth in one bite. And I know that I'm gonna start choking. I don't think I can.
I know CPR. Or the, the abdominal, what is it called now?
I don't know. The Heimlich?
No, you can't say that.
Really? What's wrong with the Heimlich?
Trademark.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, it's not happening. It's not
Really?
happening. It's not. My mouth is like I have my mouth can open, but like it's gonna hit. Never mind. I can't say it in a way that sounds family friendly. I had to split it in two. We have Thrifty ice cream. I got the strawberry.
Thrifty!
This next gift for Michael, he already knows what it is, but we're gonna open it on camera.
I'm very excited.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Alright.
Boca Trend Center.
+1 photo card exclusive Wii Shop.
We're gonna open it together. Who do we think you're gonna pull? I think I'm gonna pull Namjoon. So if we open
I'm hoping for Rat Monster.
So if we open it up. Ah! I got his hand! Yeah, I think everybody gets a different body part. Honestly, everything was facing me, so I'm just gonna. Wow!
Oh my!
This is so pretty. It's like a denim swatch almost, but it's not actual denim. We have this postcard. Cause true beauty is true sadness. Now you can feel my mind.
Unreal.
We have this, very pretty. Oh my god, he is so handsome. Wow, look at that.
Wow. Wow.
Literally, I'm amazed.
Oh, I got it! Oh my god! This is fucking amazing.
Wow, you wanna trade?
No. Oh my god!
That's so cute.
I literally cannot. What the fuck?
That's a really nice card. I'm stealing that. Thank you, Namjoon.
Yes.
Namjoon.
Namjoon. Namjoon. Namjoon. Wait.
Thumbnail.
I'm still alive. Yeah. I'm still alive. Yo.
Okay, I'm back home and we are going back out because I have a package to drop off at the post office for my friend. Michael and I combined our gifts into one package and we're gonna ship it out to her. And we're all gonna open it up on FaceTime because she can't visit for the holidays. I accidentally left my mask that I've been using all day at home, so now I have to open a fresh one for one stop. But I would rather do that than go in maskless, so it's fine. This is so dramatic. Oh, it's pushed. We did it! Now I'm going back home. And I have a gingerbread house to wrap. because I decided to get a gingerbread house for my brother. This lighting is really pretty. That while I'm home alone, I'm not actually home alone, but my parents are gone, I have the kitchen to myself. And I'm gonna I'm gonna make cookie dough to prepare for tomorrow. We have this bag full of like truffles from Costco, and they all kind of melted into one big thing. So I'm gonna chop them and then freeze them so that they mix into the cookie batter. Cookies, by the way. Bless you. We are melting and browning the butter. I am doubling the recipe, so I'm gonna do double of everything. He says 3/4 cup brown sugar packed, so 3/4 times 2. We're doing 1 whole cup of granulated white sugar, 2 halves. We have the sugar and the butter in here. Now we are cracking in 2 eggs. 1, 2. Let's put this into 2 separate batters because I want to do like a chocolate with white chocolate, and then I want to do regular chocolate chip. So yeah, just adding flour. 12 servings, but since we're doing 24, 16. Just folding until everything is combined. Okay, adding walnuts that I crushed. And then we're putting white chocolate in this one. This is what they look like. They look nice. I literally put them in the freezer because we're gonna cook them tomorrow. Not now. Whenever we're gonna cook them, it's not right now. Test cookie. Smells good. Smells like a candle, but like.
This is short rib over there. Oh, before I get.
Mmm.
Yeah.